Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, halogen headlamps, heated mirrors, USB adapter. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, bed liner, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.